Welcome to another one in our chemistry lab series. Our purpose today is to show you the correct way of getting liquid or a solution from a reagent bottle, which would be this guy, a reagent bottle, into either a beaker or into a graduated cylinder like this one. Whoops. And don't break them. Do you know how much these cost?
Well, they're not $1,000 like Scott always said.
About $1,000. Okay, so Sharon, I want to get some of this liquid, sodium chloride, into this graduated cylinder. What's the best way that I should do that?
Okay, whenever you're going to pour a solution or a liquid, you want to, now, the lab safety says to keep the label away from you, but I like to actually hold the label towards me for a couple reasons. One reason, it confirms that I am using the correct reagent, because I've seen students go and just take a reagent, not read it properly, and they've either used too strong or too weak a solution. But I like to hold it towards me, and so I can read the label, and then I put my hand on it, and then I will pour.
Okay. You got to take the lid off, don't you?
Yeah, I'm not going to do that
Okay.
though. Okay. Now, so I can read the label so that I know for sure that I am using the correct molarity of the sodium chloride. But also, if I do spill any, it doesn't spill onto the label and then destroy the label.
Brent wouldn't like that, our lab guy.
No, we wouldn't. Nobody really likes it because then we're not 100% certain what type of reagent is in that bottle.
Gotcha.
Okay. So what I'm going to have you do, Jeff, is
Me?
yeah.
All right.
I'm going to get you to pour some of this reagent, about 6 mils of reagent, into this graduated cylinder.
Into this one?
Yes. Okay. So how would you do that?
I don't know. Like, I'll take the lid off. Label towards me. Got it. That's a tiny hole.
It is. So
I don't think I can do that.
No.
I'm going to spill.
If you're going to pour reagent into a small cylinder or a burette or anything, what you should do is first pour it into a beaker.
And that's why you have a beaker here for me.
Yeah, they do have these little lips on them, and so it's a lot easier to pour it into the beaker and then back into your graduated
so 6 mils.
cylinder.
All right, so I can pour some in here.
Yeah,
Doesn't
so
matter
just
how much, I can't put 6 in there.
Well, you only want 6 mils, so I wouldn't pour any more than 10 into your
10?
beaker.
All right.
Yeah,
What if I go over?
it's okay.
All right. We have lots of this?
Yes.
Okay. Notice I have it held in the right way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh. I'll just another shot. Okay.
Okay.
Lid back on.
Yeah, always keep the lid on.
Okay. And now, so I can pour this into here.
Right.
So I can do my 6 milliliters. All right, so I have to get my 6 milliliter line. Where is it? Oh, right there. Okay. 6 milliliters. Oh, this is way easier pouring.
Yes, it is. You won't spill any.
Well, knowing me, I might. Oh, now I'm close there.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm sure if I pour any more, I'm gonna go over.
Okay, then what you should do, because let's say our lab says we want exactly 6 mils, then we should use an eyedropper.
Oh.
Use the eyedropper and then add drop by drop.
Drop by drop. Oh yeah, I got a dud eyedropper. Oh, there's some. I'm getting close. Yeah, that's really good. Okay, one more and it should have it. That's a bad eyedropper.
You're the one that grabbed the equipment.
Yeah, I did. Okay, so I have to read the meniscus, right?
Read the
So
bottom
that's right
of the
on the
meniscus.
bottom?
Yes.
Okay, one just a little bit more dab will do me. Okay, I'm calling the meniscus bang on 6.
Bang on 6.
So now I've got 6. Oh, well, that wasn't too bad. So I can't pour this directly into here. I should pour it first into a beaker and then pour from the beaker in. That was way easier.
Right. Now what should we do with this excess stuff?
Well, I don't want to waste it. Can't I just put it back in the reagent bottle?
No, because you may contaminate it.
Oh, so what do I do with it?
Well, you can see if there's a person in the lab that hasn't poured their sodium chloride yet and ask them if they would like it, or you can just pour it down the sink with lots of water.
Does it depend on what liquid I have?
Yes, it does.
So maybe I should ask the teacher or the lab tech if this is sink bound or if I need to put it in some big waste bucket?
Yes, you should. Okay? And just a reminder, if it's an acid, please do not pour them on the sponges in the sink.
We have Wrexham sponges.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm comfortable doing that now. So anytime I'm pouring from a reagent bottle, I probably should pour it into a beaker, and then from the beaker into my graduated cylinder. Use an eyedropper if I need to. And I do not return this stuff to the reagent bottle because it might contaminate it.
Right.
I take it and I can dump it down the sink or whatever my teachers instructed me to do. Good. Any final parting shots?
No, I think we've got that one.
Okay, so we expect all of you to be properly using your reagent bottles in the chem lab. Thanks.